What's up, Impact Nation? Listen, I want to show you how I went from $0 a month when my company closed when the pandemic opened to literally a six-figure income. I am super excited. The first thing I got to teach you how to do is to buy back your clock, to show you how you can work from home. I'm getting ready to teach you 5 side hustles that you can do from home to start being able to work in the luxury of your own home and to stop punching somebody else's clock. Let's get your time back, and then I'm going to show you how to build your treasure. All right, everybody, listen, my goal is to get you back home, and the benefits of staying home and being able to work from home is not only trending, because when the pandemic opened up, people just don't want to go back to work from, your standard 9 to 5. And I believe we were trending that way all along. But you've got to learn how to be able to make that same amount of money that you're able to make working for somebody else and somebody else's vision, working on your own vision. So you have to decide today, are you going to build somebody else's vision, or are you going to work on your own vision? Listen, there are a few benefits from working from home, and I just want to lay a couple of those out, and then I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can think about, and maybe it'll fit your wheelhouse and maybe not, but 5 side hustles you can do to literally start making good money from home, and then you can start from there to building your 7 streams of income, and I'm going to tell you about that in an upcoming video. Well, listen, write a couple of things down for me because it's important, but one of the first benefits of being able to work from home is that you get your clock back, right? You don't have to necessarily punch someone else's clock, but you do want to treat your side hustle just like you did when you was hustling for somebody else, right? The second thing is the gas money. Gas money is starting to go through the roof. I mean, I know we all thought it was going to go down, but it's not going down. So we got to figure out a way where we ain't having to burn that gas unnecessarily, trying to get to places that, we don't have to. You can wake up, get your cup of coffee, get your breakfast, and open up at your desk, just like I am right now. The third thing is tax breaks, right? Tax breaks are phenomenal when you own your own business or your own side hustle, and you need to be able to claim those for everything that you do. So I'm gonna tell you in a later video how to set your business up right to where you can begin to take advantage of the tax hustles, and give you a couple of ideas of people you can go to that can help you do that. And then the last thing is that it's easy to start, and my God, it really doesn't cost a lot of money to start doing some of your things that you need to do from home and make money while you're doing them. All right. Now, before I get started, I want you to do me 2 things. I want you to hit that like button, and I want you to subscribe, because every week I'm going to be popping out a video that's going to absolutely equip you with the tools that you need to start living that Impact 7 lifestyle. All right. So let's get going. All right, the first hustle you can do from home in the comfort of your own home, write this down, it's called VIP Kid. It'll be a link in the below this video that you can link onto, but it's teaching kids English from the comfort of your home, teaching kids from China English, right? Now, with this, you do probably have to have a degree or equivalent, at least a bachelor's, and they say you have to have teaching experience, but it's not traditional teaching experience. If you taught Sunday school at church, you can count those hours, right? But you do need at least a year of experience, but you can earn literally $25 to $30 an hour teaching people English from the comfort of your home. Now, don't even worry about, well, I don't know how to just create no English curriculum. The curriculum and everything you need is created for you, and you get to select your own hours while you do it. Isn't that amazing? You really need to click that link. All right. The second hustle that you can do from home that I recommend, and you can run this like a business and it will bless you like a business, and that is a service broker. Well, what do you mean by a service broker? Well, listen, there are all kind of things you don't know how to do that you can become the broker of, right? You don't know how to clean homes or residential homes or commercial buildings, but you can start brokering it. Find you independent contractors that you create your relationship list with, and you start sending them where they need to be, right? And you can become a broker, a jobs broker, find people jobs, right? Start working with companies. Other companies do it every day. You can become that job broker where you can start directing people to jobs every day, and helping them acquire those jobs or gigs. There's gigs that you can brokerage, right? One of the things that I do is now is that I have a brokerage facility that creates traceable income for people who are owning their own business. They don't know how to trace it. Teach them how to do it. You can become a landscaping broker. You don't have to do landscaping, but you could connect up with the people that do. So service broker is a good one. Here's a third one that I think is phenomenal for people who love to cook, love spending time in the kitchen. That's meal prepping, right? I'm not talking about cooking soul food meals, fish plates, and all that other stuff where you're trying to compete with other competitors. Everybody is in this mindset that they want to live healthy and learn how to live healthy. You can become a meal prepper from your home and literally deliver them in your area. How do you think HelloFresh got started? And you could start meal prepping for people and help people reach that optimal level of health that they've been looking for to do. Here's number 4, and I love this one because if you got a car, there are multiple ways you could make money. But one of my number 1 favorites is called Turo. Turo. Turo allows you to start renting your car. You could start your own car fleet with your first car, right? Start renting your car out. It does all of the work for you. Once you sign up, you list your car, you make sure you got the insurance. They have additional insurance within their system that they offer to the people that's renting the car, and you're going to make a nice amount of money doing it. Now, I'm bringing up another video where I'm going to show you the ways to do that, to where you can maximize your earning potential phenomenally. But Turo is a phenomenal way to start earning money. And here is my favorite of favorites, the mother of all earning possibilities. And this was one of the things that took me through the pandemic, that I literally went from 0 income to 6 figures annually now. And now I'm headed towards 7. That's where I want to go, to that 7-figure mark. But listen, investing. What men have done to become wealthy since the beginning of time. Investing. Listen, I know you say, well, I don't really know how to invest. I'm going to create a video where I'm going to show you some little simple ways to start, but then I'm going to also allow you to become a part of our Impact Nation Academy of Investors, where I'm going to teach you literally. I have teachers on standby, a team on standby, and we're ready to teach you how to invest to where it's going to absolutely blow your mind. The link below in this thing, you can get started today, and I'll have you earning money by the end of the week. Listen, whatever your job is, whatever you do for your job, all you have to do is make up that amount of salary or income or wages per day, right? If it's $130 a day, you know you're worth $130 a day. You just ain't had the platform to get there. I want to give you the platform. I want you to make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this with somebody you know, because this is absolutely going to take you from broke and a joke to living that impact lifestyle. I want you to have a great day, and I'll see you in the future.